Yeah, man. Yeah, this is Joshua's program, and yeah, episode 17. I'm gonna do a program which is 1 to 10. Basically, get the sum of 1 to 10, or we could do 1 to n. Doesn't matter. Basically, what we're gonna do is just get the summation of a natural number to another natural number. Alright. So, for example, I said before, if I want to get 1 to n, that'll be this, right? 1 to 10. Alright. There's a formula for this. Alright, what people usually say, they say to get the sum of one number to another number, what it is n. So n will be the greater number, so 10. So it'll be n multiplied by n plus 1 over 2. Right, so if we had 1 to 10, for example, we'll do something like this. We'll do 10 multiplied by 10 plus 1 over 2. That will give us 55. Alright, let's go output this real quick. Yeah, that will give us 55. Right? So that right there is a sum, right? And n is obviously 10. So to write out the program, what we want to do is first instantiate the variables sum and n. Alright, so sum, the starting point is 0, right? And n, let's make it 10, right? Because we want to get the same answer as before, but from the program is from doing this program, right? So what we want to do, all we're going to do is do a for loop. So we'll do for, create the variable index, it's going to equal 0, condition. So while index is less than or equal to n, I'm going to increment by 1 every single time. Alright, we're going to do sum, which is going to be 0. Starts out with 0. Sum equals 0 plus 1. Sorry, plus index. Sorry, plus index. Alright, we want to output the sum equals the sum. Hopefully this works. There you go. Now we could add a scanner into this as well. Input Java util.scanner. We could remove this, and we can ask the user to do it instead. Enter a number. New scanner user input equals new scanner system in. Yeah. I'm gonna say int n equals user input dot next int. So now we got it. Now if we put, for example, let's put 100, right? We'll get 5050. Right? So that's a basic little program right there. That's using the for loop, right, to get the sum of 1 to n. Alright, so let me go and put it here as well. I'm gonna write this program gets the sum of 1 to n, n being any natural number. Alright, and then what I do here, the author is me. And then the date gonna be, what's day today? Today is the 13th, yeah? 13th of 6/21. Alright. That's it, man. So like, comment, share the video out. I'll get back onto episode 18. I might do another programming tutorial project, or I might just do another tutorial, you know. Other than that, peace out, man.